The name of the today's subject is energy conservation and audit. The subject code is 22525. The semester EE5I and myself DP Sonone. The topic of the today's lecture is energy scenario. The energy scenario is the outline of the utilization of energy, consumption of energy, the effect of energy generation over the environment, and the future of the energy. Now, in the energy scenario, the different sources for the energy are the commercial and non commercial, primary and secondary energy sources. And when we uses the energy after it will be get consumption, that is final energy consumption. And after that, the needs of energy growing economy. What is the role of energy for growing economy in any country? After that, the long term energy scenario, energy pricing, energy and environment. When we generate the energy, what is the effect of energy generation over the environment? The effect will be air pollution and climate change. In energy scenario, there will be a point energy security, energy conservation, how we conserve the energy and its importance. What is the importance of energy conservation? Another point will be in a energy scenario, that is energy strategy for future. An Energy Conservation Act 2001 and its future. The introduction of the energy. The energy is one of the major input for the economic development of any country. In case of developing country, the energy sector assumes a critical importance in view of ever increasing energy needs requires huge investment to meet them. Means energy plays most important role for develop any country. For developing country, energy plays most important role. The energy can be classified in a different ways, that is the following criteria for the classification, that is primary and secondary energy, commercial and non-commercial energy, renewable and non-renewable energy. This is the criteria for the classification of energy. Now, the primary and secondary energy. Primary energy sources are those that are either found or stored in nature. Common primary energy sources are coal, oil, natural gas, and biomass such as wood. Other primary energy sources available include nuclear energy from radioactive substances, thermal store in energy interior, and potential energy due to earth gravity. The primary energy sources, as we know that the coal and oil, natural gases. The primary energy sources are most converted in industrial utilities into secondary energy sources. The example are coal, oil or gas converted into the steam and electricity. The primary energy can also be used directly. For the example for this will be the feedstock in a fertilizer plants. The sum of the energy sources have non-energy uses. For example, coal or natural gases can be used as feedstock in a fertilizer plants. Now the primary and secondary energy. The figure shows the example for the primary energy and secondary energy. The primary energy example are crude oil, hard coal, NGL, natural gas, nuclear, uh, the agricultural waste, biomass, wind, hydro, tidal. These are the primary energy sources that will be transformation into secondary. And the example for the secondary energy is petroleum products, manufactured solid fuels and gases, electricity and heat, biofuel. These are the secondary energy, and that will be get consumption. Now the commercial energy. The energy sources that are available in the market for a definite price is known as commercial energy. By far, the most important form of the commercial energy are electricity, coal, and the refined petroleum products. The commercial energy form the basis of the industrial, agricultural, transport, and the commercial development in the modern world. In the industrialized country, the commercial fuels are the predominant sources, not only for the economic production but also for many household tasks of the general population. The example for the commercial energy are electricity, ignite coal, oil, natural gas. As we know that the commercial energy having the definite price, therefore this energy is known as the commercial energy. Now the non-commercial energy, the energy sources that are not available in the commercial market for a definite price is known as the non-commercial energy. Non-commercial energy sources includes fuels such as firewood, cattle dung, and agricultural waste, which are traditionally gathered and not bought at the price used specially in the rural households. These are also called as the traditional fuels, means this these type of energy we are used from the long time. Therefore, this type of fuels or this type of energy is known as a traditional fuels. Non-commercial energy is often ignored in the energy accounting. The example for the non-commercial energy are firewood, agro waste in the rural areas, solar energy for the water heating, electricity generation for the drying grain, fish and fruit, animal power for the transport, threshing, lifting water for the irrigation, crushing sugar cane, wind energy for the lifting water, and electricity generation. Now, the renewable and non-renewable energy. The renewable energy is the energy obtained from the sources that are essentially inexhaustible. The example of renewable energy sources includes wind power, solar power, geothermal energy, tidal power, and hydroelectric power. The most important features of a renewable energy is that it can be harnessed without the release of harmful effect or the pollutants. Means from the renewable energy, there will be not any disadvantage for the environment. And the renewable energy is a non exhaustible. Non-renewable energy is the conventional fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas, which are likely to be depleted with the time. Means this energy will be finished with the time. Now, this picture shows the renewable energy sources. There are different types of renewable energy sources, as in picture shows. Geothermal energy means that energy we can get or obtain from the heat of the earth, that is geothermal energy. Wind energy is the electricity or the energy we can obtain from the kinetic energy of the wind, means that is the force of the wind. And the solar energy, the solar energy is the energy or electricity that we can be obtained from the radiation of the solar or the energy of the solar, that is solar electricity. Here hydroelectric, the hydroelectric, the the electricity or the energy, that energy can be obtained from the kinetic energy or the force of the water, that is converted into the electricity, that is known as hydroelectric power plant. After, there will be a biomass. The biomass energy or biomass electricity, the electricity that is obtained from the energy of biomass or the bio waste is known as the biomass electricity or biomass energy. And the nuclear energy or the nuclear electricity is obtained from the nuclear power station, is known as nuclear electricity. Thank you. This is the first lecture for the energy conservation and audit over the energy scenario.